Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever accidentally deleted an important email from your Outlook or Hotmail account, don't panic. In this quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to restore deleted emails, even the ones that look permanently gone. So stay with me till the end because I'll share a hidden recovery option most people don't know about. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Outlook website. You can either type Outlook login in Google or directly visit outlook.live.com. Once you're there, sign in using your email address and password, just like you normally do. After logging in, you'll land on your inbox. Now, look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a folder called Deleted Items. Go ahead and click on that. This folder stores all the emails you've recently deleted. Outlook usually keeps these for a limited time, typically 30 days, before removing them permanently. If you spot the email you want to restore, simply check the box next to it, then click Restore. The email will instantly return to your inbox or its original folder. Easy, right? Recover permanently deleted emails. But what if your email isn't there? Don't worry. Outlook gives you one more chance. Scroll down to the very bottom of the Deleted Items folder. You'll see a small link that says, Recover items deleted from this folder. Click on it. This section shows emails that have been permanently deleted from your main trash but can still be recovered for a short time. Now, find the email you need, tick the checkbox beside it, and once again, click Restore. Outlook will move the recovered emails back to your inbox or wherever they were before deletion. And that's it. You've successfully restored your deleted emails, even the ones that seemed lost forever. Before you go, here's a quick tip. To avoid losing important emails in the future, consider creating an archive folder or using email rules to automatically organize your messages. It'll save you from recovery headaches later on. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below letting me know if you successfully recovered your emails. And if you want more short and effective tech tutorials like this, make sure to turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.